Hello guys, and in today's video I will be doing a N-scale unboxing and a N-scale train haul. I'm really excited for this, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Most of the stuff I got at a model train store, and then this one thing I want to show you, well, I've been waiting for a long time. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Okay. So first thing I got was Code 80 N-scale flex track. Now this will be used for the layout that I am making, which also, since they're already out, I'm just gonna show you, because why not? We got some curved HO pieces, and not HO, N-scale pieces. We got like 14 of these, but I'm only showing one because I don't want to grab all 14. Next, we got a N-scale easy track terminal. We found out that we can take this part here off of the track. That'll be neat. And obviously, rail joiners. Now, we got a Burlington Northern grain hopper made by Atlas. I really like this, so let's go ahead and unbox it if I can get it out of the packaging. Man, these are, my goodness, these are hard to take out. Oh, I did it. Okay. Here's the grain hopper here. The underneath of it's got the hook couplers, the true walkway, and it has metal wheels. So, this I have been waiting for a long time, and it's finally come the mail today. I really hope this works, and if not, I'll try to turn it into a running, not running, it's a dummy engine, but a working dummy engine. So, let's do this. Get out here. It's in here. Got popcorn, or packing peanuts. That's what they're called, my bad. Oh gosh. Now, take the tape off here. Okay. Now, okay. It's finally came. A N-scale Southern Pacific dummy engine. This does look pretty neat, not gonna lie. Yeah. So let's go ahead and put this and this on the track together and see how they work. So we have them both here. First, let's try the green car. So it's a real goodness. So, okay. Okay. So what's on here? It runs pretty well. It's smooth. And yeah. That's the grain hopper. Let's try the locomotive now. Okay, so got this on. It runs pretty good too. Here's the real question. I'm gonna turn the camera off and then turn it back on. But the real question is, how well do they hook together? Okay, so they do couple up with each other and they can run. So that is the end of the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.